so in this particular video, we're just going to be looking up the setup and the installation of GSAP in your React project. Okay, so the first step would be to create a new React application. For our example, let me open up VS Code here. So we just have a React application that was created with React Vite. So in your case, you could use Next.js or create React app to create your React application. But for just this particular playlist, we're just going to be using React Vite. Okay. And let's proceed with installing GSAP. The first things first, we need to install GSAP by running npm install GSAP. Once that is actually done, we need to install the next wrapper, which is GSAP/React. Installation is done. So let's quickly take a look at our package.json, what we have. Okay, so we have GSAP and React in our application. Cool. Let's quickly put that up and see what we currently have. Okay, cool. So we just have a page with a circle right in the middle of the particular page. So this was just created with basic Tailwind classes, and we had to take out the starter code out of the particular page and just replace it with what we have. So React plus GSAP and just a blue box and with a black background. Okay, to confirm if GSAP is actually installed in this application, let's just run a little animation on the particular box that we have on the page. Just import GSAP from GSAP, then also import the use GSAP, which is the hook provided from the React wrapper for GSAP. Cool. Then once we're done with that, let's register our plugin. We're gonna be using the US GSAP. And now in our application, we can quickly run this and say use GSAP, and this is basically gonna take in an object. And okay, cool. So you don't have to worry about what's happening here. We're actually going to go through each and every one of this particular pattern in the coming videos. So we're just trying to test out to see if GSAP is installed. So what we could say here, say GSAP 2, we're trying to target circle. Then once we target circle, and we also want to move our circle by 360 on the x-axis. And let's just quickly add a scope here and say a scope of, let's just call this container. A scope of container, right? And that container is basically going to have a ref equal to container, which is just a reference to this container, which we actually want to add in the scope here. Let's quickly create a use ref. We'll call this our container. Our container is just going to be equals to use ref from React, the reference to this, and in the start of this application is going to be null. Cool. So with this now, we should have an animation. So what we're just doing here is targeting the circle. Okay, so let's quickly add the class of circle and review what we currently have. Cool. So we moved from the particular position of the box by 360. Cool. Let's increase the value to like 790. Cool. Yeah, so we currently have GSAP installed in our React application. See you in the next video.